So Mike said that he will give me $100 if I walk him through the steps of Tesseract. So I'm gonna give him a call right now, and we're gonna do it. So keep on recording, camera lady, and I'm gonna call him, and we're gonna see what happens. Okay, dokie. Just gotta type in his number. Calling Mike.
Hello?
Hey, Mike.
Hey, Tyler?
Hey, how's it going?
I've had a struggle, but appreciate your call back. Listen, let's see. What is this struggle? I can stay on the phone here.
All right, perfect. That would work great. So I'm at your website, and what do you want me to install Tesseract for you, or what was your overall goal?
Okay, I just want to. I'm primarily wanting a blog with the ability to have the pictures like Tesseract 2
Mm-hmm.
and the shopping cart so I can sell stuff.
Right.
And let's see, I've got some other pictures. I did use your Unsplash to download some nice scenes,
Nice.
pictures, but I can't seem to put them on in package that I log on with you.
Mm-hmm.
Is there a way to do that?
Yeah, definitely. So I will step you through all of that, and did you?
I need to get a home page up and running.
Right.
I had my website almost finished. I was 2 hours into your Tesseract 1.
Oh, okay.
And then when, so I was starting to learn,
Mm-hmm.
I'm 85 years old, and I've never had a course in computer science.
Mm-hmm.
I was on the faculty at USC in the School of Medicine for 32 years.
Oh, wow.
And my job was I developed the database I designed the National Collaborative Study in 16 university hospitals, ran along with a medical doctor for a number of years, and so I had to manage I was chief biostatistician, so I had to manage all the data.
Mm-hmm.
So I developed my own database and all my data management systems, and had 3 programmers working for me, so I never learned how to program. But I pick up on this stuff pretty fast.
Right.
And if you get me going, I can handle it.
All right, perfect. I just wanted to know, what were you selling on your website? A book?
Yeah, I've written 2 books and an audio book. And
Nice.
I'm putting a lot of I've done it in poetry.
Okay, nice.
And the book I just got is 250 pages long, and I get another one about 300 pages long right behind it.
Okay.
But some of it is in I'm putting it to music.
Right.
And the lyrics to music, and I'm not a musician, but my nephew is.
Oh, nice.
So we're kind of collaborating on that. But then I'm selling picture frames and audio books and CDs and DVDs and that sort of thing.
Yeah. Nice. All right, so I'm going to get you set up here. Right now I'm installing the Tesseract theme, and I'm recording it also at the same time. So
That's all right.
so we have it done, and if we go to visit site, okay. There's no title, so something's going on here. Did you already install the Tesseract theme?
Yes, I've installed Tesseract. In fact, I had it up and running right here, but I just pulled it up really fast.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
And so you'll probably self-talking pretty quick here.
Yeah, so we'll just see what's going on. All right, there's a page with no title. I see that, and you've uploaded some image to it. Okay. All right. Is it okay if I delete your pages, or did you want some of
No,
them?
absolutely. You do whatever you want to do.
Okay, so I'm going to delete their pages just so we start off fresh. So I'm going to delete both of them, and then I'm going to empty them from the trash. Okay, so I'm just walking you through what I'm doing right now.
Let's see. I'm on your site. I don't have my phones on, so.
Okay, let's visit your site again. All right, so now we got the home page, and
Yeah.
let's see if you have any plugins installed that could be conflicting. Beaver Builder. All right. So you're gonna see this video all later, so I'm just gonna talk through it. I'm just gonna deactivate all of the plugins except for the Beaver Builder right now.
That's good.
Okay. And I'm doing this just because you don't want plugins to conflict with anything. So.
You know, I couldn't pull that up. I couldn't. My system wasn't syncing with hers, and it's probably fault. I didn't know how to work it there.
Right, right. No problem. It'll all get worked out real easily.
What you're doing right now.
Huh?
I can understand what you're doing right now.
Yeah. All right, cool. So we have most of that done. And let's see. Now we're going to make you a home page. So let's make you a home page. I'm going to make it full width.
Yeah.
And
I couldn't get to that point where you are right now.
right. All right. So we'll go to the. Then we're going to set the home page as the main page.
Yes.
So, and you're going to see all this in the video. And then now I'm going to edit it with Page Builder to get a very cool page on here. So,
Yeah, I understand that.
all right. Let's just get a.
Now, see, okay, when I did that, I couldn't get the full page. I don't know why.
Right. This is very interesting where the home is still staying up here. So, I don't know exactly why that's happening. That's interesting. Maybe we have to update your WordPress.
Well, it might be in the tags, too. I don't know, you know.
That could be it. Okay. Interesting. Okay. So it's not, showing up exactly how I want it to right now. The home, if you refresh your page, you can see the home is still there on the home page, which I don't know why is happening. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the plugins and search for a plugin called WordPress Reset. Reset. And see if that helps. Alright, settings. Alright, all reset.
Did you WordPress reset?
Yeah, I reset it, and
That's something that's good to know.
yeah, exactly. And this is so strange because this typography is different than mine. It's very interesting.
That's part of the reason I haven't been able to sync with your.
Yeah, it really seems a little different. Okay, but we are gonna work through it, and we're gonna see if it works now. Okay, just give me 1 second. Alright. Customize.
You know, I get lost when I get here.
Yeah, it's kind of confusing. It's very weird. Okay, so now it's working. Something from the previous tutorial was interfering with it. So
Yeah.
now it's working good. I did a WordPress reset, which you'll see in the video that I'm recording right now. So I'm just gonna put in something right here. All right, now if you refresh your homepage, do you see that big headline?
The big headline.
Yeah, with it says Glacier Snow. If you refresh your website,
I'm not sure what you're talking about.
if you go to MikeWilliamsonLLC.com and
Okay.
do you see the Glacier Snow? Do you see the big image?
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna have another browser, right?
I mean, you could just refresh the one that you're on.
Let's see where I've got it. I've got it.
Do you have your website up right now?
Yeah, I do, but I've got to get it on the right page. You want me to go to admin, right?
No. I just want you to go to the homepage, just the regular homepage, just as if you're a customer.
Okay. Hang on just a second.
I just want to make sure you're seeing what I'm seeing.
Yeah. Well, I can see your mouse moving on my site all the time.
No, I think that might be the video, the YouTube video.
No, it's, aren't you out there? Okay, now I've got a wholly different deal here. Now, I'm going to go to the home page. I'm looking at it, and on my site where I am right now,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm just at the www.mikewilliamson.com. I'm looking at Glacier Snow.
Right. Okay, good. That's what I wanted. I just wanted to see if you're seeing what I'm seeing, and that is exactly what I'm seeing.
Okay.
All right. So what you wanted a different picture there, or what? How do you?
Well, no. I can take care of substituting the pictures.
Okay. Cool.
But all I need is the home page and the about page, and I need a button that's going to allow me to, I want to be able to get there's a video out there already that shows you to get a blog. I don't know, you're probably familiar with Michael somebody.
Oh, so you want a home page, an about page, and a blog? Is that what you said?
Yeah, blog page.
Okay, so let me make your about page real quick. And go to the page. Let's see.
You've got some buttons on here, and I want to keep those two buttons.
Oh, okay. On the top, you like those. All right. Okay, so we got a home and about, and you want a blog. So let's do that. New page, blog, publish.
Now I'll have some under the Glacier Snow caption there. I'm going to put some taglines and action fine.
Mm-hmm.
I like your idea, but I couldn't do that. I wasn't able to put anything on the picture. I couldn't put the words out there. I did on your first TESSERACT one, but I couldn't make it work on this one.
Oh, that's weird. Okay. All right. Well, I'm recording it, and right now I'm adding a blog to your website, so you'll see that real quick. And let me go back to the home page and add something below it just to make sure that we can. What did you say you wanted? Some text under there or a quote?
You have the main letters like Glacier Snow, big font, and
Right.
then you usually had a tagline underneath.
Oh, a tagline underneath. Okay, cool.
Here, yours, and then down below that was an action.
Oh, an action button. Got it. Okay, cool. So I will do that, and there we go. Do you want 2 buttons or just 1 button, 1 action button?
I'd like to have 2 buttons on that.
2 buttons.
Like for TESSERACT 1.
Got it. Okay. If you refresh your page right now, you should be able to see that.
Okay, let me see. When I hit the return, I gotta explore.
Right. Is that the type of main headline you want, and then the subheadline, and then the 2 buttons?
Yeah, that's buttons.
Okay.
That looks exactly like TESSERACT 1.
Right. But it's Tesseract 2. It's just a way quicker way of making it. I just made that right now, and you'll be able to see in the video.
Okay.
All right. So, I have your about page, but I'm gonna change it up a little bit. Let's see. All right, that's pretty good. Actually.
Once I get this basic stuff down, I think I can introduce new pages and making pages, making new categories or whatever.
Right.
I don't think that's or new pages on my service page or the product page or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
But I do want to get a shopping cart out there.
Okay, so let me do that next. Let me put in a shopping cart next. So I'm gonna walk you through it in the video, which you'll see later. But basically, you go to plugins, and you add new, and you search for WooCommerce.
But now I'm not seeing your I can't see your
screen.
cursor.
Right, I know. I'm recording the screen right now, and then I'll send it to you later so that you can review it.
Okay.
All right, but I'm just talking through it right now so that when I do send it to you, you'll be able to understand what's going on. All right, so it's a little confusing, but I'll send you the thing later. Okay, so right now WooCommerce is asking me some questions like where you are from, and I think you're from California, right?
No, I'm actually up in Portland, Oregon.
Oregon, okay.
I used to be in California, but I moved up here 2.5 years ago into Wilsonville, Oregon.
Wilsonville, Oregon.
I kept my phone number 714, so.
Oh, okay. Got it. So.
I used to live in San Diego for 16 years, but I also lived up in the Pasadena area.
Mm-hmm.
That's when I was on the faculty at USC.
Oh, got it. Nice. All right. So, is it physical goods that you're going to be shipping, or just
I'm sorry?
Is it physical goods you're going to be shipping, or just digital stuff? Is it are you going to send things?
No, it's going to be both.
Okay.
I mean, CDs, DVDs. I have a camcorder, and I'm going to do some recording, both audio and video.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm going to be have links, to be able to say, well, my books are on Amazon and Barnes and Noble and a bunch of other for publish on demand.
Right.
Links go out to a lot of retail stores and so forth.
Okay. Cool. Do you have PayPal, or how are you going to accept?
PayPal would be. I don't have a PayPal account right now, but I want to set a PayPal account up.
Okay, so you're going to need to set that up later.
Okay, that I can pay you that way, right? I can just put $100 over into the PayPal account and under your whatever, and you can take it from there, right?
Yeah. Product. I mean, you have to set it up yourself and do all of that. So
Yeah, I'll take care of that. I'll take care of that.
test product. Okay. Let's see. All right, so right now, what I'm recording on my screen is just showing you, and you'll see it later. You can't see it now, but just showing you how to set up a product.
Okay.
All right, so
I think your system is absolutely fantastic. And you know, all of the comments on I've gotten Discuss or whatever that is out there. You know, I watch the comments that come through and people asking questions. Somebody over in the Netherlands who responds to all that.
oh yeah, Martin, he's a real nice guy.
Yeah, but they're all, you know, fives. They all give you fives, and so that's a pretty good indicator.
Yeah, that's awesome. That makes me feel good about it.
Yeah.
Try to do something good. Okay, so I got your shop in there now, and now I just have to change the menu. Hold on 1 second. Oh, customize, and you're gonna see this video. It's all gonna make more sense.
The footer, we probably need to do something down there on the footer.
Oh yeah, definitely. We'll put a different menu down there right now. And then the header.
I started working with computers at UCLA in 1959.
Wow, that's amazing.
But USC didn't even have a computer at the time.
That's crazy. That's cool.
But I had people with master's degrees in programming working for me.
Yeah.
I didn't have to learn programming. But I've set up some websites. I've got some technologies that are really good too for hiring people. I send out a little survey, and when I write mathematical equations, it customizes, you know, the position, so that people, instead of getting 50% of people who are high performers or long tenured, they get 70 and 80% high performers from one.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
I'll probably want to make a subsidiary website one of these days after I learn how to do this, so that I can solve that technology as well online.
Right. That's cool. So let me. Did you? If you look at your website right now, there's 2 buttons in the very top right. Did you want that there, or?
Yes.
Okay. And did you want a shopping cart also there?
Yeah.
All right. And let's see. Refresh this. Okay. It's looking a little funky. Customize. Oops.
This is quite amazing.
Thanks.
I never expected to get this far.
All right. And then you had a logo, right?
Yeah. I can take care of that, though. I know how to put the logo.
Okay. Perfect. Good. All right. Let me show you just in the video. I'm gonna send it to you later how to add blog content. So you'll see it in the video, but you go to post, add new, and this is blog content. And
now, another thing I want to be able to do is have put about 10 or 12 really nice pictures, and I've got them in a file on my computer, my C drive.
Mm-hmm.
But I need to be able to put them into that package that you log onto.
Right. Okay, that's easy. We'll do that next. I'll show you how to do that next in the video, which I send to you later. So I'm just showing you how to do blog right now, and this is the featured image. Sorry, you can't see what I'm doing right now, but then this is the blog content. All right. So one more thing about the blog, and you'll see what I'm talking about in the video, but it's you are able to use the page builder to use your blog content, but you have to go into the settings and change it, which I'm doing right now. And you'll be able to see that in the video when I send it to you. All right, so we just did it now. If we visit your site, then we can edit anything on the page builder. And you'll see what I'm talking about in the video.
Now, Page Builder for TESSERACT 1 and Page Builder, which is the Beaver Builder, are the same. I mean, you use the same terms.
Right, yeah, that's a little confusing. So they're both page builders, but they're different. One of them is better, and I think the Beaver Builder is better. So it's a lot easier. Yeah. And so there's another thing on the blog. It automatically allows people to comment. Do you want to keep that on or take that off?
I do.
Okay.
You
So
had a max button down there too.
a what?
Max. What do you call it? A max button?
A max button. You want?
The plug-in for max button. What was that all about?
Oh, so that allows you just to put any custom buttons that you want. Like right now, I only have like 12 buttons that I've made for my theme, but the Max Button plugin allows you to create your own buttons and use as many as you want. And I have a video on that on tyler.com/videos if you want to check it out later. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. But okay, so right now in the video I'm showing you how to set up the blog, but I'm just going to show you, just in case you want to do it, how to take off comments. I know you don't want to, but just in case, you hit the screen options and you click discussion and you check this off right here, and you'll see it in the video. All right. Next, you wanted to see how to put in your own images, right? Okay, so I'm just going to show you with the main homepage how to swap out that image, and it's the same way of how you import your images. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay, so you click on Page Builder, and then you go over where this row is right here, and you press the wrench, and you'll be able to see this. And then you select photo, and you can upload any photo you want. So you'll be able to see this. Sorry, I know it's really confusing when you're not seeing it right now, but you will be able to in a little while when I send you this video. Okay, so. And then to change the text, I'm going to show you how to do that right now in the video. So, okay. Just go like this.
I'm looking at Mount Hood out there right now.
Yeah, so I just changed that. So to change the text, you go here and change it.
Well, that's beautiful.
Yeah.
I like those kinds of scenes, and the caption goes on top of them.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, huh? That's what like professional websites do, like Apple and Uber, and they make it really just very cool.
Well, I sure saw the contrast. I mean, it just it speaks with a loud voice.
Yeah.
I mean, it discriminates between the good and the bad, I guess you could say.
Right, exactly. So another thing that you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to set up your PayPal. So you're gonna need
Okay.
to go to PayPal.com and set all of that up. Um,
Okay.
and let me show you where to do that, and I'm gonna show you in the video. So once you go to PayPal.com, you know fill out the forms or whatever. And then after you do that, you go into the back end here, which I'm showing you in the video. And you go to settings, and you go to one of these things. Yeah, you click on checkout, and then you click on PayPal, and you enter in all your information. So yeah, that's how you do that, and I'll send you the video and show you that. Was there anything else that you wanted to know how to do or change? Do you know how to change the links to the buttons on the very top right?
Links to the button.
I mean the where it says primary and secondary on the very top right of your website.
No, probably not.
Okay, so let me show you how to do that. And I'm showing you in the video, so you're not gonna be able to see right now. So you just go to customize and header options and header right block content. And then you'll see all this code, and where it says href equals and in quotes, you change this to whatever link you want to be.
Oh, okay. I got that. I understand what you're saying.
Oh, okay, cool. And you'll really understand when you see the video. So that's that.
It's logical, and I've been through that once with you.
Oh, right. Did you want to change the colors of your website, or you know how to do all that stuff?
I can handle that, yeah.
Okay. Was there anything else that you wanted to see how to do?
I can't think of anything right now. There may be as time goes on, and I'm sure, I'll probably run into a barrier someplace or a hurdle and have to get over it. And I might.
Right. Oh, let me give you the unbranding plugin for free. Let me just upload that for you. I have it right here on my desktop.
Oh yeah, that is another thing. The unbranding will allow me to put my copyright on the footer.
Right, whatever you want. So I think I have it here on my desktop.
I've kind of reviewed that once, so I think I know how to.
Yeah. There it is. Open, install.
Well, I sure appreciate this, Tyler. Man, I've been knocking my head against the wall for a long time.
No problem.
We're synchronized well, my system and your system, and I think that 90% is my problem.
That's weird, and I think that's because you followed the old tutorial and then you wanted to do the new one, but some things weren't, jiving together. Let's see, regular blog content. Okay, let me put in your website here instead of mine. And then let me put in your name instead of mine. Oh, Mike. Oh, invite. Let me get you a copyright symbol. Right? Copyright Mike Williamson.
Copyright Mike Williamson, LLC.
There you go. Okay, good. Copyright Mike Williamson, LLC. Copyright. Space.
Sometimes I put on that line my email address. It's probably elsewhere in the system somewhere. So.
Yeah, maybe you'll put that on the about page or something. I don't think it's gonna fit.
No, and I've already got it on the top page, right up at the top, anyway. So don't worry about that.
Okay.
Just say all answers. You might, that's.
Yeah. Oh, your email's not at the top anymore. I don't think. So, I mean, you could put that instead of the top buttons or something else, but I don't think it'll fit, but you could just put that on the about page, or you can make a contact page.
Okay.
All right.
Contact.
Huh?
Thanks a lot. And,
Oh, did you want a contact form? I could put that in there.
yeah, that'd be good. That'd be. Oh yeah, I do need that. I do
Okay.
need that.
All right, cool. So let me make that for you right now. Contact.
And I can have your address just in case it don't go well, so I can send. You know, you would accept a check if it doesn't come through on the PayPal, but it should come through on the PayPal.
Okay, I'm not worried about it.
Well, I want to make sure that PayPal works, so I'm going to do it through the PayPal.
Okay, cool. All right, so I'm going to add you a different plugin, and you'll see what I'm talking about in the video. And this is called Contact Form 7. And you know what plugins do, right? Oh, it's already installed. Okay, so you've already installed this plugin, so you definitely know what it does.
Yeah.
All right, cool. So we're just going to do that, and then we go to Contact, and we copy this. And Pages, Contact. What? You didn't want your address on there or a map or anything on the contact form?
Well, no, I just soon not have my location, exact location on my contact form.
Yeah.
I mean, I live in Wilsonville, and that's enough.
Yeah.
If I want to give my address out, I will. Whenever.
Okay, cool.
But I need to control that.
Right. All right, cool. I'm just gonna add a simple contact form, and oops, you'll be able to change that later. And what you do is you paste in the short code, and you'll see what I'm talking about in the video.
Yeah.
All right. Once.
We got an action step location.
Hold on 1 second. Let me add in the contact form to the menu. Sorry, what was that? We got in what?
That action step. There was on your Explorer, you had an Explorer and a tagline and 2 buttons, and then at the bottom there was an action step.
What do you mean by that? An action step?
Well, when you were demonstrating the Apple, you said logo.
Oh, yeah, the call to action, right?
Action, yeah.
Right. So the headline is the Explorer, and the call to action is everything and do what you love. So you'd put your call to action there.
Yeah.
And so yeah, that's what it is.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. And I put it in a contact form, and I know that image on the top is really ugly, but you can change images, which I showed you how to do in the video. And let me make that smaller for you. 50. Alrighty. So can you think of anything else?
No, I can't right now, and I sure appreciate it. Tyler, you've been just super.
Thank you. Let me see if this product works for you. Let me actually put in a number and see if I can get anything in the cart. Let's be regular price, $50. All right, update. Product. Add to cart. There we go. All right, yeah, it adds to cart.
Great.
And oh, actually, let me make your cart full width, and you'll see what I'm talking about. when you're in the video. Okay, edit page.
Play around with it and probably have a question or two, you know.
Yeah, for sure. Alright. Alright, it's looking pretty darn good. So yeah, now you can add things to the cart and you can check out. I mean, you'll be able to check out once you put in your PayPal email, which I show you where to do that in the video. And everything is looking pretty darn good.
Now then, if I have a book or a product and somebody logged in on my site and they buy a book, that would be, I mean, I can illustrate those or talk about them, and they can purchase them right online, right?
Right, exactly. So that they'd hit the shop button, and if you do that right now, I put up a test. Do you see that shop button on the top of your website?
I have a content block. I don't see any. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay, there it is.
Yeah, so click on that. And so that would be like your book.
It didn't do anything.
It didn't do anything. Did you refresh your page?
Oh, no, it didn't. Oh well, let's see. What have I got here? This page. Okay. There we go. Something is happening. Well, anyway, none of those buttons are working on mine.
Really? Are you on the video or are you?
No, let's see. I'm on my regular. No, I'm not on video.
Okay, you're on MikeWilliamsonLLC.com.
That's right.
And you clicked on shop and it's not working, or contact and it's not working, or?
Well, there goes. I see a little daughter.
Huh?
I see your daughter.
Yeah, that's not my daughter.
A little girl.
A little girl, right? And then so that would essentially be your book or your DVD or whatever, and you can add that to the cart.
Okay.
And once you add it to the cart, then people can check out and pay for it.
Okay. All these buttons are working.
Good.
That's great. Oh yeah, they're all working.
Nice.
Primary and secondary buttons are.
Right, they're blank. I didn't know what pages you wanted to set those up as.
Right, but everything. Oh yeah, this is beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh man, that is so good. I am just thrilled with it. Really.
Okay, cool. Then I'm gonna send you this video, and you're gonna know how to add products. You're gonna know how to add stuff to your blog. You're gonna know how to set up your shopping cart for put in your PayPal address. You're gonna know how to change images. It's all in the video that I'm gonna send you.
Fantastic.
All right, Mike.
So much, Tyler.
Sure thing. I'll send this video to you in about either first thing tomorrow. It's kind of late, or later tonight,
Okay.
if I'm up to it.
Okay.
All right. Thanks, Mike.
Thanks a bunch.
All right. Bye.